Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, if you are looking to transform your walls and add a touch of elegance to your home, so you're on the right place. Today I'm super excited to share some stunning wall molding designs that will elevate your space. So whether you love the modern, classic or minimalist vibes, there's something for everyone. So in this video, I will going to tell you that which are the best materials for wall moldings and how much it will cost. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin the topic. Wall moldings are an easy and affordable way to add the character, depth and sophistication to any room because they frame your walls like a piece of art, making your space feel polished and luxurious from living room to bedrooms, dining areas to hallways. Molding work everywhere, plus they re versatile and you can paint them, mix styles or even with your house interior designs. So there you can see that the beautiful designs are available from classic to modern to geometric patterns. So friends, now we're going to discuss that which are the best materials for wall molding designs. The best materials for wall molding designs totally depends upon your aesthetics, budget, durability needs, and installation preference. But here are the some overview of top materials which are used commonly for wall molding designs based on their properties and common use. Like there are different types of wall molding like wood, MDF, which we call the medium density fiber board, PVC, which are polyvinyl chloride. Another one is the plaster of, and fourth one is HDHMR. So there are lots of different types of materials are available for wall molding designs. Like wood has some beautiful advantages like its classic, elegant look, highly customizable, but it is little expensive and it is susceptible to moisture and wrapping if not treated, require maintenance. Another one is the MDF because most of the wall moldings are used with MDF only, and HDHMR because it is affordable, smooth surface for painting, resist wrapping better than solid wood, easy to cut and installs, and it is best for modern or budget projects, especially for painted trims in dry environments like living rooms. Another one is the PVC. PVC is waterproof, resistant to mold, mildew and insects, low maintenance, affordable, and it is exterior trim or wet areas like basements or kitchens, bathrooms. You can use also there. Like wood or plaster suits for classical designs, and MDF SDHMR fits for modern minimalist aesthetics. So for a balanced choice, MDF are versatile and widely used for their cost effectiveness and ease of use. So if you prioritize durability and authenticity, these are the best materials for wall molding designs. Like there are different types of materials are available, so there are different prices also. For MDF, the price starts from 35 rupees to 40 rupees per running feet, and for SDHMR, 50 rupees per running feet. And if you want to go with charcoal, then it is 60 to 80 rupees per running feet. And wooden putty starts from 20 to 25 rupees per running feet. And another extra materials which are required is the favicol, screws to fix the moldings, and you require the carpenter to install this wall molding design, so you will take almost 1500 rupees for one wall. It totally depends upon the quantity also. So friends, these are the wall moldings are the best options for to decorate your walls and give some modern look to your room interior. So friends, if you have any more questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, once again, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, because here you will get the latest and modern interior design tips and ideas for living room, bedrooms, kitchen, outdoor areas. So friends, if you like my video, then please like and share this video to your friends, and mention in the comment box that in your area that how much it will cost for making the wall molding designs, so that our subscribe will know. And